Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm a personal injury lawyer outside of Philadelphia. And over the last stretch of time, as I'm sure you guys have seen, I've been going deeper than I do on TikTok about specifically auto insurance. Yes, auto insurance. I know it is extremely boring. There's not really much to it, but it's so important to know what you need to know before you're in a situation that you need to know it. It's way better to be over-prepared than under-prepared in this space. But before I get into why your auto insurance rates have gone up, click that subscribe button below. Make sure to hit that bell. Join us on this ride. I would love to continue to help you in any way that I can. God forbid, being a personal injury lawyer, I like to tell my clients, I wish you didn't have to call me. I wish I didn't have to help you. And hopefully you're not hurt enough for me to have to help you. But if you are, click that link below and we'll make sure you get taken care of. So as I said before, we're going to talk into why your auto insurance goes up in cost per month. The main reasons why it would go up it's sort of like the auto insurance birthday cake. There's tons of ingredients to it. One ingredient is speeding tickets. Have you been a dangerous driver lately? Another ingredient is DUIs. Have you gotten behind the wheel, either drunk or high, gotten caught? Your insurance rates are definitely going to go up. A lot more expensive to insure a driver that will be irresponsible behind the wheel. Another one is if you ever are at fault for a crash. I'll take the most basic example. If you ever rear-end somebody in an intersection, you're going to probably pay more every month for your auto insurance if you're not that careful of a driver. Another instance is regardless of fault, while fair or unfair, if you get in a ton of accidents in a short period of time, let's say you got into 5 accidents in 3 months, for example, and there's no perfect scientific way to evaluate a lot of accidents, but if it is determined as a lot in a short period, your rates are probably going to go up. Another thing is if you move to a new location, like moving from the outside of Philadelphia to downtown Philadelphia, it costs more to insure you based on your location. Other things, there are a few other considerations. Your credit sometimes comes up. If you may have excess bills, there's other things that might come up that could impact the way that your insurance charges you. But the main thing to know is if you're not at fault for a crash, especially that first and maybe the second time, even if it is a short period of time, by law, your auto insurance can't raise your rates unless you are in an excessive amount of crashes in a short period of time. There are other considerations, but those are the main ones that you need to be concerned about. So things you can control. Don't get behind the wheel if you're drunk. Obviously, you shouldn't be doing that regardless of whether it has to do with your auto insurance or not. Don't get tons of speeding tickets. Just generally, be a mindful driver. You're probably not going to see your rates go up. God forbid you ever get in a crash and get hurt. That's the kind of work I do. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and hopefully I never need to talk to any of you guys, but it is a free consultation if you ever need my help. Click that subscribe button below. Stay in touch, and my name's Ethen Ostroff, and thanks so much for tuning in.